All right, this is Chapter 7, Lesson 5, Drawing Three-Dimensional Figures. So, when I'm drawing three-dimensional figures, you can draw different views of them, basically. Most common views drawn are the blank, blank, and blank views. In those blanks, you're going to write top, side, and front. So the top, side, and front views of a three-dimensional figure can be used to draw a corner view of the figure. So let's take a look at a couple of examples. Alright, so for the first one it says draw a top, a side, and a front view of the figure at the right. The top view is in that blank you're going to write triangle. And the side and front views are rectangles. So I drew the top view, the side, and the front. The second problem I have is draw a corner view. Draw a corner view of the three-dimensional figure whose top, side, and front views are shown. So they showed us the top view, which is 3 rectangles, the side view, which is 3 rectangles with 1 in the middle on top, and then the front view, which is 2. Okay, so here's the thing. When you're dealing with corner views of something, they're dealing with flat objects. So it might actually be different levels, but when you're viewing it from the top, you can't see that. You're only seeing those 3 or you're only seeing those 2. Okay, same thing from the side. Okay, and same thing from the front. Okay, so step 1, use the top view to draw the base of the figure, a 1x3 rectangle. Okay? I can add bases to make it a solid figure. And then I use the side and front views to complete the figure. So I drew the top first. Okay, so here's my top. So I look down on it, it's still the 3. Okay, my side, added 1 in the middle. So I added a box in the middle, and my front, I still only see 2. Okay. All right, there are a couple of try problems below. I want you to go ahead, pause the video, try them out, and when you're done, we'll go over the answers together. All right, now that you've had a chance to try out the try-out problems, let's go over the answers together. So the first one I have talks about the front, side, and top view of the figure at the right and wants me to draw them. Okay? So my top, looking down, is a rectangle. There's my top view. My side view is right here. Okay? And then my front view is also a rectangle. This. So there's my top, my side, and my front. All right, so my second one says draw a corner view of the three-dimensional figure whose top, side, and front views are shown. So here's my top, my side, and my front. So when I draw this, I should get something like this. So here's my top view. I can look down. I drew the 4, right? Okay, the side, it goes up 1, and the front goes up by 1. So it's just a 1 view. All right, and that is the end of Chapter 7, Lesson 5.